what's up guys? My name is Dan Coconati and today we're going to be taking a look at the song called Don't Wait, Run Fast by Machine Gun Kelly. So this song is in standard tuning, meaning your strings are going to be E, A, D, G, B, and E. So get yourself a tune and then we're going to get started on this lesson. Alright, so MGK's Don't Run Fast. This is the main riff we're going to be taking a look at. So it's going to start 10th fret of the D, and then you're really playing this open on your A with every strum. So open, this open A is consistent, and the only thing that's changing are the notes on your D string. So in this case, it's going to be 10, 12, 10 on the D. Again, this open on the A is just being strummed with, those notes on the D string. So, okay, so 10, 12, 10, and then it comes down to 7 of the D. And then that next part is a pinky stretch up back to the 10th fret. So 10, 12, 10, 7, 10, 7. And then, okay, and that's 5th fret of the A, or excuse me, the D. And then 7th. So 5 to 7. Okay. So, and then the chords that go right after that, power chords here. So it's 5th fret power chord of the E string. And if you don't know what power chord is, it is, you're just playing your 5th fret of the E with the 7th fret of the A and the 7th fret of the D. So that's a root and a 5th. And in this case, you can get the 7th in. But okay. And then it just kind of continues with the just the strumming of that chord right there. Okay, and really that's kind of consistent until we jump right into our first chorus. Okay, so what are we doing here? So this is the first chorus, actually, and the chorus, in a sense, it repeats. So this, once you get this down, you're good for the second chorus too. So we're doing a power chord here. Okay, 3rd fret, okay, of the A, and then 5th fret of the D. Okay, and then that shape, it just drops down to your E string now. So now 3rd fret, 5th fret, okay, 3rd fret E, okay, and then 5th fret A. Gotta slow down there, sorry. So anyways. Okay, now, so again, that 3rd fret shape, you're on that E string. It's gonna just slide on up now to the 5th fret, also on the E string. So 5th of the E, 7th of your A, 7th of your A, and then 7th of the D. So altogether though, the 3 chords should be sounding like this. Okay, and then we move on to the fill. So Okay, so the first part of that fill is going to be a 13th fret okay, of the B, so, and then a 15th fret of the E. Okay, so 13 to 15, and then you're gonna play a 12th of the B string, so. Okay, so you're kind of just jumping in between, in the beginning at least, the 13, and then the 15 of your E, and then again 13, and then 15, and then 12 of that B. Okay, and then to finish it, you're just going right up here to your 17th fret of your E string there. So 12, 12, 12, 12. Okay, and then right after that high 17, it just comes right back to the 12th fret there again of your B string. So altogether though, it's Thank you guys so much for checking out this guitar tutorial on MGK's song, Don't Wait, Run Fast. If this helped you and you were able to learn the song, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe, and be ready for more future guitar videos.